Okay, so project for today is I need to cut these legs shorter. I don't need it this long and I don't need all this stuff. So I'm going to just take a Sawzall to it. This is going to get a little noisy, so I'll try and turn the volume down when I get to editing on this. This sucker is actually spot welded in, so I need it about the same length. Just going to drill out the spot welds. Should work. Little tip, these things are great. I don't know if I should show the name, but they are super handy and I use them all the time. Yay! Alright, one grade A stand. Now I can trim this side down and make it flat, but it was going to be really tough to cut in there. And it's going to be sitting in grass anyway, so I don't care that much on how off it is. It's not going to be critical. Voila. That's pretty good. We need to tweak it just a little, but that's okay. Oh, that's the problem. I cut it crooked. All right. So there's my base. I got my heat condenser here. What I'm going to do is simply put it up here and get some self-tapping screws and just go right through the bottom. Bam. Yeah. That's a video for another day, but thanks for watching. Okay, next step. This is the base. I cut off the base of the washing machine. I don't want the heat exchanger right on the ground. I need air movement, and I don't want to burn a big patch on my lawn. So I cut the base down. What I'm going to do is take some big old self-tapping screws like Zolt. Oops. It's mayhem. Let's put this over here like that. And I am literally going to just line this up and blast the screw right through the bottom. Alright. I got the screws. I now have a nice stable base. Got my pipe routed out the bottom. Get over to my pump. And then, I'm not going to do it now, but I'm just going to uncurl this big spot when I get it to the tub. That'll reach all the way out to the tub and dump back in. Leave that on. Yeah. Well, let me just flip this on its side and you can take a look. One DIY base. There we go. There's my line to my pump. I also probably didn't notice I cut all the tabs off of these. Just hit them with a hammer, pounded them flat so they're not sticking straight out. I was trying to figure something else, but I really shouldn't have that much contact with this thing. Oh, my project's getting heavy.